Hello, my name is Nick. Welcome to my channel. Nice to meet you. I am sorry, my English is not good. This is a new motorcycle that we will learn with Yamaha RC in 2022. That is Yamaha YZF-R7.
This is headlight, unlike the headlight of R1 or R6 located below. The light is similar to R3 and has red daylight Superbike. In the front, the green stability is divided into two. Transitional lights are integrated in the rear mirror like R6 and R1.
I like the headlight design of the R3. It looks cool.
This is the body and engine. It has a service temper that of the MT-07, but it's working. The lock on the R7 LCD looks like MT-07. R7 engine meets Euro 5 with 5 remains 2 cylinders in line, 680 cc, 90 horsepower, 2-way with shifter, and it will have upside-down fork front. This is the concept of the Yamaha R7. The new Yamaha YZF-R7 will be launched in early 2022.
Okay, everything out there. Please subscribe to my channel and like, share my video. Thanks. Goodbye. See you.